You don't need to like go and be looking for Gucci. You don't need to start go and be looking for Ferrari, Givenchy, what else again? Versace. Okay, we can, if you cannot afford it, if you cannot afford it, you cannot afford it right now. Okay, so use what you have. Okay, use what you have. Looking ugly is a choice, and my dear, you don't have to choose that side. With 5 tips on how to always look put together, how to dress affordably, how to always look like a chic, how to always look like a snack. To begin with, I would like to tell you that you need to embrace your inner beauty. You need to embrace your God given beauty. There's nothing compared to your own beauty. Everything else is just an addition to what God has already given to you. Don't compare yourself with anybody, and let's know that everything you put outside is just like an additional. Okay, so number one of things that you can start adding to your look that will make you look chic, look classy, is fixing your lash gap. The confidence that I have whenever I fix my lash, I can't even explain this. Okay, I can't explain this. Lash is a must have for you. Okay, so if you don't want to like invest in false lashes like the strip one, or the cluster one, or you don't like something like that, use mascara. Okay, use mascara to embrace your own lash if you have the lash. Okay, so it's not a must for you to go and get a false lash or to get a external lash. Okay, so you can always use your own lash. Just make sure you use mascara to to lift them up. Okay, so number two of looking ugly is a choice that we are not taking. The choice that you and I are not taking. Number two is your hair. Okay, so with hair, you need to now start embracing your own natural hair, baby. Look at my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna put a video up here because I literally just made my hair this morning. Just do one quick thing. Just quickly comb my hair. I do not apply heat on it right now. So I just comb my hair and put some little twist there, here and there, and voila, look at me. Do I not look to put together? I'm sure I can go out with this hair, so you don't always have to wait for getting extension hair on your hair, or wig. You don't need to wear wig every day, but a good wig is a good investment to look put together as well. I'm not gonna dispute that. Okay, so but you should embrace your own natural hair. They are cute. You can always make cute style, and you will instantly look put together. Make sure that your nails, are they talking? Are they talking? Always make sure that your nails, they are neatly done. Okay, it's not a must for you to get your nails done outside. So because all we are talking about today is how to look put together in an affordable way. Okay, so if you cannot afford going to the nail salon or something, you can always buy the kit one and do it yourself. And right now, because I'm a mom, I put my hand in water all the time, so I don't fix my nails right now. So, and let me show you. So I'm gonna put picture on the screen for you. So I literally just made this morning, and they are looking what. See my hand are talking. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. So you literally don't need to break a bank before you can look affordable. The next thing that can instantly elevate your look and let you look put together in affordable way is investing in some eyewear. Okay, so let me tell you, even no matter how basic you say you are looking, no matter how basic you want to dress, immediately you throw on some eyewear, you immediately look put together. Okay, tell me. No, imagine I'm going out like this, from this to this. So this one that I'm wearing right now, I bought it from Shein. So you don't need to like go and be looking for Gucci. You don't need to start go and be looking for Ferrari, Givenchy, what else again, Versace. Okay, if you cannot afford it, you cannot afford it right now. Okay, so use what you have. Okay, use what you have. Tell me, how do I look? I look like $1 million baby. Nobody can tell me anything, and that's on period. Okay, that is what is on period. Okay, can you see? I bought this from Shein too. Can you believe it? Go and look them up. Okay, see this one. How about this one? By the way, guys, can you guys tell me which one fits me more better out of these three shades? Okay. Another thing that I want to talk about today that will add details to your dressing, that will make you look, you know, like $1 million baby, is investing in some unique accessories like belts, some bracelets or bangles, some statement earrings. Just, you know, this looks simple and nice. Okay, so then invest in some necklace. I'm not wearing one right now. Like I said until I have money to buy gold necklace. So that is why I'm not that is why I'm not wearing one right now. Oh my god, this okay. I've got this from Amazon. I don't even remember how much I bought it, but it's not like it's expensive. Okay, it's not like it's expensive. Don't be delusional like me, because I used to wait and think that until I have money to buy Gucci eyewear before I can start wearing eyewear, or until I have money to buy gold chain before I can start wearing necklace. Don't be like me. Don't be delusional. Okay. So invest in some accessories, you know, to accessorize your hand, your neck, your ears, and some little ring. You know, they always instantly make you look put together. And lastly, if you are the type, if you are a girly that like to enhance their face feature, because already God has given us beauty. Okay, God has bestowed us the beauty already. But if you're the type that like to use some makeup and enhance your beauty, oh, why not? Why? I'm down for it. Okay, so I'm gonna put a video on the screen right now, so you see me how I quickly put all these things together. And I did, in fact, this makeup bag is tired of me. It's so tired of me because the way I've been using eyeshadow as a blush is mesmerizing. Okay, is what my makeup bag is confused, and I'm confused too. So I'm just using what I have. Okay, so if I can use eyeliner as a lip liner, if I can use you know, anything I have, I'm just trying to I just put them together and make sure that and make me look presentable and make me look chic and make me look happy. And one thing that I noticed is that if you dress the way you want, like if you're comfortable in what you're wearing, if you're comfortable the way you look, believe me, your day is just so going to be fantastic. Your day is going to be blessed because you're happy from within, and that is the most important thing. Okay, by this time, guys, if you're still watching, like this video, comment down below which of these items that I listed do you have, or which of them would you like to invest in, or which one you're not gonna even touch at all. Like, that's not my thing, I don't like it. So let me know them in the comment section. Please, I'm saying it again, like this video, subscribe to the channels, and